Thank you everyone who left a comment on our last video. I'm about to do the draw for the free 50k Lucid Flex account. So let's go. Going to reveal the winner, and we have Trevor the Trader. Congratulations, you have a free 50k Lucid Flex account. It's going to be added to your account over at TradeSaber.com. All you have to do is sign into TradeSaber.com and you should see it right on your account. There is just a quick little skill testing question. It's super easy. No, there's nothing I can do about it. Yes, it's legally required for me to do these giveaways, but it should be very simple. Just fill out the answer and you will get access to your free 50k Lucid Flex account. Now guys, we are going to be doing another giveaway on this video for another 50k Lucid Flex account. All you have to do is leave a comment down below and make sure, guys, there's quite a few people that missed this step last time. All you have to do in order to be eligible, leave a comment and link your YouTube handle on our website over at TradeSaber.com. And in order to link your YouTube handle, all you have to do, go to TradeSaber.com, make sure you're logged in, then come over here to your YouTube connection, and then over on your YouTube, click on the top right hand corner, view your channel, and copy and paste this link up here. It's going to automatically extract your YouTube handle. It's going to link your account to our website so we know who to actually send prizes to if you do win. That's all you have to do. Leave a comment, link your YouTube. But with that, congratulations to Trevor. We're going to be doing another giveaway next week, so make sure you leave a comment down below. But with that, let's head to our video. What's going on, guys? I'm just going to be recording my trading today. It's the first day on Monday after we release version 4 of the Predator X. So I just wanted to set it up on here. Same sort of setups we've been doing in the past. Right now, I am using my pullback indicator to get these pullbacks. I am using the SMM green and black backgrounds to help filter out our trades as well. So we're just going to run it live here. We are starting right at 9:30, so it is about to start in just a few seconds here. And of course, I do have my VPS, and I'm running the same pullback strategy on my VPS over here. So we'll let those play out and see how it works. So here, it's market open. So now we're just waiting for some sort of a pullback. And for those of you who are new here, the pullback is just if we are going in one direction, and we are, in this case, if we have the transparent or black background and the red MACD is trending down, the 21 EMA is below the 50 EMA, and then the price pulls back above the previous bar's high, comes back down, closes in that same direction, that is our short entry. And that was an entry actually on my other account. So right now the VPS actually just got its entry. So here we just got our first entry. Over here we got just stopped out. It almost reached our target, went back to break even, and stopped us out break even. So that's something I am still playing around with. I don't know if break even is something I'm going to keep. It has saved me a few times in the past, but sometimes, like we might see here, it might stop me out a little too quick. So here we just got another re-entry. So that one would have been the first winner if I didn't have that break even. And now we'll see how this one turns out. There we go. So now we hit our first profit target. If we didn't have that break even, I would have been done for the day because that would have been one full profit, second full profit. But again, we're not perfect here, so we're going to keep playing it. So let me just check on the VPS. The VPS actually already hit 2 profit targets for the day within the first 2 minutes. So this one, I am running the original NinjaTrader bars, the original strategy. I have other videos that cover this in a lot more detail. But here we can see we got our first pullback right here. Then we get a second pullback right to target. these things have a pretty decent win rate. The downside with this sort of strategy is it does run a negative risk to reward. So when you do get stopped out, it does hurt a little bit. But for the most part, it has been doing me pretty well. So again, I have all these templates available for our free trial and lifetime members. All you have to do is sign up and you will find them directly. If we pull up our website here, and I have to log in. There was zero prep work to this video, so just give me a minute. And we'll let this play out. Hopefully we get another entry soon because I want to be done with my day. I don't like sitting in front of a computer. I want my strategies to enter, exit, and be done. All right, so now we're logged back in. So there's a few things, and if you guys haven't checked out the new website, we did do a massive upgrade. It's going to make it finding information so much easier. So we have all our information over here. If you want to find our Predator X templates, just open this link up and you're going to find all our templates in there. So, and as you can see, we also upgraded all our templates to version 4. So you don't even have to try and convert them yourself. Everything has already been done this weekend. And if you guys do have a template from version 3, as many of you guys know, when you hit the download button, there is a big warning that tells you to basically remove all your previous templates. Any templates from version 3 or before will not work with version 4. Version 4, we've made several big improvements that unfortunately require templates to have to be replaced. But you don't have to delete them outright. I know I said this in my previous video, but well, let me just turn back to our trade here. So we just got into another trade. See how this one turns out. There we go. That's it. We hit our second profit target for the day on both accounts, fully automated within the first 6 minutes of the day, almost 7 days. But not being nitpicky, now the realized P&L here, we can set all these sorts of P&L, time filters, whatever you want to build your perfect strategy. You have it all available at the click of a button. Any order customization, any extra management, break-evens, trail stops in multiple steps. Guys, version 4 has so many more improvements. I recommend watching my last video, and I am going to be posting a lot more. But back to the templates real quick. If you do have a template from a previous version, let's say we're coming to our templates room and we haven't quite converted something, we're going to convert this opening range template. So we'll just go to this one. So as you can see, it says version 3 in there. And all we have to do is come up here, drag the template directly onto the converter, convert it. Once you have that downloaded, it's going to automatically convert any previous version 3 template, convert it into version 4 so you can easily download it, and then come up to your documents folder. We're going to open up NinjaTrader. We're going to open up templates, strategy, TradeSaber Predator X order entry. And then we're going to take the new version 4 template. All the version 4 templates will have V4 at the front. You're going to be able to drag this directly into this folder. And now you're going to have access to that template as well. So let me open up a different Predator here. And I'm going to load it, and you're going to see version 4 ORB template or whatever templates you want to convert. Just the main thing is any previous template from version 3, especially if you've ever saved anything as default, all of those have to be deleted. If you've upgraded to version 4 and don't see the Predator X in your strategy list, that usually means you have a template saved as default and it's interfering with it. So you must absolutely go into this folder, delete everything or move them to a different folder, don't delete them, and convert them, re-add them to the folder after they've been converted. And you should see the Predator X on your strategies list again. But anyways, I think I am going to cut the video here. I don't want to make it too long. And for the next draw we're going to do is going to be another 50K Lucid Flex account. And same thing, leave a comment down below and link your YouTube handle to our website in order to be eligible for the draw. So with that said, I hope you guys found this useful. As always, take care, enjoy.